Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about tension at different position in vertical circular motion. As here particle is performing vertical circle whose mass is m and radius is r. To find tension at top position, we will know that the centripetal force mv1 square by r is balanced by T1 plus mg. Now, to find the tension, we will put the value of V1, which is root Rg. So, we have V1 is equal to root Rg. T1 plus mg is equal to m root Rg square divided by r. Now, by squaring, this RR will get cancelled. T1 plus mg. So now T1 plus mg is equal to mg. So it will be T1 is equal to mg minus mg, means tension at top position is 0. So tension at top position is 0. So now we have to find the tension at bottom position. To find the tension at bottom position, we should understand here that here particle is performing the vertical circular motion. The tension at top position is 0. Now we will find the tension at bottom position. So here the centripetal force is balanced by T2 minus mg is equal to mv2 square by r. In last equation, there was T1 plus mg. Now, to find tension at bottom position, we are taking T2 minus mg, because here the direction of tension will always towards the center. So T2 in upward direction and mg in downward direction. So there are directions are opposite, therefore here is negative sign. So T2 is equal to mv2 square by r. This minus will now become plus mv2 square by r plus mg. Now we know the value of T2. So what is the value of T2? That is root 5 Rg. So now we will put the value. Now by squaring this, square and square root will cancel, and now here RR will get cancelled. So here 5 mg plus mg. So this becomes 6 mg. So tension at bottom position is 6 mg. Now we have to find, so what is the difference between the tension at bottom position and tension at top position? To find the difference between tension at bottom position and tension at top position, so that will be T2 minus T1. So 6 mg minus 0. So it will 6 mg. Okay. So in this way we can find the tension at different position in case of vertical circular motion. So now we have to find the tension at mid position. So we will use similar diagram. So now here the tension T3 is balanced by centripetal force. So T3 is equal to m. The value of V3 in case of vertical circular motion is root 3 Rg. Root 3 Rg. Now the square and square root will become cancelled. So it will be and now RR will also get cancelled, so it will be 3 mg. So tension at mid position is 3 mg. So tension at top position is 0, tension at bottom position is 6 mg, and tension at mid position is 3 mg.